This morning, Britney Spears possibly taking the biggest legal step yet to win back control of her life. In just hours, the embattled pop star expected to petition the judge to let her choose her own attorney, a request she made last month during her explosive testimony in court, where she pleaded for her 13-year conservatorship to end, calling it abusive, alleging she's been forced to perform, take lithium, and was prevented from removing an IUD meant to stop pregnancy. Since then, her court-appointed attorney has requested to resign, as has the trust hired to be co-conservator of her $60 million estate. Britney's father, Jamie, is also in charge of her finances. She wants him out, telling the judge back in June he loved the control to hurt his own daughter. 100,000% he loved it. But the court previously denied her request to remove him. Jamie Spears insists he had nothing to do with his daughter's alleged bad treatment and is demanding the court investigate her claims and hold a hearing to see if they're true. Now, as Britney spins on social media, her remaining conservators are sparring in a heated war of words.
Britney couldn't have planned it better. She has now pitted her two conservators against each other.
Jody Montgomery, who's in charge of Britney's personal affairs, lashing out at Jamie Spears in court filings, saying she wants to give Britney a path to ending her conservatorship, something Jody claims Jamie opposes, alleging he spent more than $2 million of his daughter's money on attorney and PR fees. Jamie had no comment. Jody also telling the court she's received death threats and wants the conservatorship to pay for 24/7 security. An expense Jamie argues will cost over $50,000 a month and is unnecessary, pointing to the innumerable and ongoing threats he too has received as Britney's conservator.
With all this legal drama, is any of this helping Britney end the conservatorship?
Absolutely. As everybody else is fighting amongst themselves, Britney is sitting there watching all of this. And the court is taking note that really these conservators may not be the appropriate people to be taking care of Britney's money, estate, and medical decisions.
And Erin, do we expect to hear from Britney herself in court today?
Well, Savannah, legal experts say it's likely that we will. She is expected to appear remotely. She could decide to speak her mind once again. Worth noting that neither she nor her legal team have filed a formal petition with the court to end the conservatorship, seen as a first step in the legal process. If she is allowed to appoint an attorney later today, that filing could happen within a week.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.